This video will show you how to replace the master switch panel on a Chrysler Town & Country. This will be attached to your driver's side door panel. Let's get started. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We're going to start removing the master window switch. To do this, you're going to start carefully prying along this edge here. For that, I'm using a small pocket screwdriver and a plastic trim tool. I'm just going to come in at an angle here, trying to cause no damage. In this area, you're going to find you have a small locking tab, so I'm pressing in on that as I pry this up. You can see that tab there. There's a second one here, but typically it will slide up as we continue on. Now, as I roll this up, there's going to be two more tabs on the other side. This will all slide apart fairly easily. Once you do have it dislodged, we're looking along the backside. We can see that we have a large rectangular port here. We don't have to do anything with that, but we do have our electrical connector. Squeeze in on the locking tab and dislodge that. Of course, a quick inspection on both ends for corrosion. There it is, friend. Prior to installing our part, let's just make sure we clean and inspect the mounting area. We're just focusing on the door panel itself. We want to make sure there's no damage here. This does look good. So let's continue on with the installation. As far as the installation is concerned, we're going to start with our electrical connector. It does have a locking tab. We'll make sure we have it in the proper orientation. We'll carefully slide it in. Listen for an audible click. Give it a light tug. Make sure it's secured in place. Now let's just make sure we have the switch panel in the proper orientation. We're going to line this up with the corresponding port here and slide it down. We'll listen for an audible click from all four locking tabs. Double check to make sure that's secured in place. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality of all of the switches. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.